In this lecture, we will see 3D practice exercise 25. Go to here, click here new, select here template, click here open. Then go to here, select here line, click here, make it this line for 50 mm, make it 50, then press enter, press escape key, select here front, then go to the line tool, click this midpoint, make it 25, then press enter, press escape key, then select here top, then go to the cylinder, click here cylinder, click here, make it this one diameter, it is 20, select here diameter 20, then press enter, make it up to here, then select here right or left, anyone you can choose here in coordinates, select here cylinder, click here, make it a diameter, it is same 20, then press enter, make it up to here, then go to the union, select this one and select this one, press enter, now it is union. Next we need to remove this inside area for diameter 15, go to here, go to the circle, just go near to this, click here, select here diameter 15, you can see here 15, press enter, then go to the press pull, click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this one, delete it, then select here top, then go to the circle, just go near to this, click here, make it diameter 15, then press enter, then go to the press pull, click here, we need to make it press pull for 25, make it minus 25 because it is opposite direction, it is ready, press escape key, select this line and all, delete it. Now you can see here it is created perfectly. Next we need to make it this chamfer also for 1.5 mm. Just go to here, select here solid, select here chamfer, select here distance, make it 1.5, press enter, 1.5, press enter. We need to make it all the edges, we need to make it like this. Just go to here, select this edge, press double enter, press enter, double enter, press enter, make it here, press double enter, it is ready. Then go to here, we need to arrange inside this drawing sheet, select here layout, select here base, from model space, place it here, press enter, repeat the same here and here, press enter. Then go to here, you can see here I used a scale 2:1, same scale you have to select this one, make it here 2:1. If you select 1:1, you will get it very small, so you can select here 2:1. Now you will get it better look. After that you can make dimensions and all, already you know how to create this dimensions and all. Just go to here, select here annotate, select here dimension layer, then select here linear, you can create this length, make it like this, press enter, you can make it this dimension, press enter, you can make it this inside dimension. You need it this diameter symbol, double click this one, you can make it a percentage C, you will get it diameter symbol, or you can go to here symbol, you can choose here diameter, you will get it diameter symbol. Select this one, you can place it near to this. Similar way you can create all other dimensions also. It is very easy. You can create dimension, then you can make changes in this, then you can save the drawing, you can print the drawing.